Hola mis amigos and welcome back to mi canal. So I just want to start, before I even start the video, I want to tell y'all mil gracias. Like, thank you all so freaking much. Like, I got 100 subscribers. What? Thank you all so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So because of that, and because I'm very grateful for that, I want to do like a little free giveaway. You know, like just a giveaway, give some free makeup. I think that'd be so much fun. I think it would be something fun for me to do. You know, I've never done that, of course. And I've never been one to receive. And I think it's so much fun just to receive free makeup. Like, who does not like free makeup? So with that said, so if you want to answer that, just comment down below what you're like, what are you grateful for? And I think I'm gonna get my son to pick. Yeah, I think that'd be fun because he would see it and he's a kid, so he feels that emotion. Like, he would do really good to pick that person. Comment down below. That's it. Simple as that. And it might not be something whoa, but it is gonna be free makeup. So that's pretty much fun. So thank you all so much. Again, thank you for the 100 subscribers that I got. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So if y'all wanna see this Smokey winged eyeliner, see, well, let's keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows already, and I primed my eyes using my Tarte Shape Concealer. I want to get the eye to look like this. Oh yeah. So we'll see how it goes. So I went ahead and I'm going to go use the Sephora Pro. I did not record that part, so I took a picture of the color that I used, and it is terracotta. And so what I'm doing is I'm only doing it as if I would have done the liquid liner. I'm just kind of doing the shape that I kind of want. So as I'm doing it, I'll kind of look at the left eye, and just to make sure that I'm not going too high or too low, just trying to make it, you know, look even. So just kind of do your wing liner as you see fit for your eye and how you like it. And so yeah, see, just checking, making sure not, you know, to make it look a little bit even. Just do it as long as I like them out. So yeah, sharpen, pointy out. Next, I am going to go in with the Coca and also Burnt Umber. I kind of mixed both of them because I wasn't for sure if I wanted to go a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, and it's kind of in between. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just use kind of both colors. And that way, it's kind of almost like if you're doing your eyeshadow. Just kind of blending them and making sure that, you know, from the transition to a little bit kind of medium darker, and then I'm going to go into the dark black. But that way is just transitioning the color from one to the other. And I'm just kind of going on top of it and just kind of blending them together. Next, I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs black liner, and I'm using the same brush that I'm using. Yeah, you can tell the little powder still coming off of it. And you know, you can even do it like, you know, like the tias and las abuelas do it, and kind of use like maybe, you know, kind of burn the tip of the pencil, you know, get that dark. But at the same time, it's always kind of difficult because you never know if it's too hot and it'll burn your eyes. So I don't recommend it. But you know, the tias and the abuelas, they used to do it like that and make it very dark. But I'm going to go ahead and just apply a little bit of that. Same thing, just going over it. Just trying to put that as the base for the black eyeshadow, because I don't like to go just directly black eyeshadow because I think it'll smear a little bit. But I feel like it has that dark base right underneath the black. It'll kind of keep it, you know, in touch and in base too. It doesn't smear. So I'm just kind of going a little bit less than the light brown colors, but just making sure my wing liner's still shaping it out. Next, I'm going to go in with Obsidian, and it's that black color, and I'm going to go over the Marc Jacobs liner that I used. So I'm kind of going over it and then going a little bit over it, but yet a little bit on top, just to that way you're already making your wing liner a little bit darker and just perfection. So yeah, guys, just gonna go over it. And the bottom part, don't even worry about it. because that way, I mean, you'll clean it out with the concealer, so that doesn't even matter. And so just go over it. And just shape it out as you see fit. Oh yeah, I feel like I had to add a little bit more to make it a little bit more even. I feel like it was a little bit more thinner on that side. So then I'm going to go back in with the terracotta. And as you see from both eyes, I felt like this one was a little bit more darker black. So I felt like I needed to go a little bit more lighter and just kind of blend it. As I'm doing it, I'm kind of going down and just blending. Because I don't want a harsh line, but I wanted to blend in together. Yeah, my hair was in my way, so I had to move it. Usually I use my clip, but I kind of wanted to wear my hair down in this video. Yeah. Yeah, you'll see me look at kind of glance at both eyes. You just kind of want to make sure they're a little bit even. Not a little bit. You actually want them even. You want a little bit more up and one down. Looks like you're, I don't know, shocked, and then the other eye you look sad. I don't know. It's just like, but anyways. So yeah, guys. Then I'm going to go in with the shape, the Tarte Shape Concealer, and just a little flat brush. Just get a little bit of that in the shape. The Tarte Concealer, it is in the color medium. And so what I'm doing with that is I'm just kind of cleaning it out. Just making it a little bit thinner at the end. See, that's why I said a lot of times all that bottom stuff doesn't even matter. Like, you clean it and then it's ta-da, perfect. Just clean till you see fit, and just kind of use your finger to kind of clean it, because you'll be cleaning with your foundation also. That doesn't even matter. Next, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London and Black Glamour. And what I'm doing is, if I would have done the same thing with the liquid liner, the same thing that I was doing with the terracotta, like as I'm lining them, you just do it not all the way to the top, because you don't want all of it to be the black liner. This, I just feel like it just uses to kind of sharpen it and just make it even better. See, because I use it on the bottom, then I go back in with Obsidian, and then I go over it to mattify it, because I don't want that, you know, vinyl matte, liquidy, shiny. I want it matte, but I want it mostly to look like it's all eyeshadow. So it is all eyeshadow, it's just the bottom. You get it perfection, like to look a straight line. Sorry, just gotta make sure. Got to make sure. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with canvas and sand and just kind of do that for my little, you know, just to make it like pop. I don't use a lot of color up here, honestly. I don't ever do that, but I just needed a little bit to kind of pop. Then I'm gonna go in with my lashes, and these are the Cara eyelashes in the number 805. And I went ahead and also used the Star Glue eyelash adhesive in dark, and I usually get these on eBay. So yeah, I get my tweezers, apply those lashes. Yeah, gotta make sure they're all lined up and look perfect. Cause you never know, you don't want one looking wonky. Sometimes I have mine looking wonky, and it happens. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, eso es todo. So that's it. Hopefully this eye look was simple and easy. And if it was, hey, we need to look, you know, winged eyeliner glam together. So yeah guys, hopefully this look, like I said, that fácil. Like that fácil that y'all be able to do it. And don't forget guys, please comment down below what you are grateful for. And that's just the only thing you have to do to get free makeup, because we will contact you. We will contact you. So yeah guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Again, mil gracias. Thank you all so much. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.